So today, y'all better spend a day with me as somebody who mind their business. First up, we're going to go get my hair done because I ain't had it done since May. So that's what, like 9 months. So that'll be the first stop. I don't know what else I'm going to do. Probably really nothing, but that's right. Well, first I'm going to go get some gas because we on E. Like all the way on E. And last time I went to go get my hair done because I did vlog that. Remember I was telling y'all I was 3 minutes late? I got charged $15, so we ain't even playing it. My appointment is at 11 a.m. and it's currently 10:03 a.m. It's the 30-minute drive, so I'm gonna be on time this time because I ain't getting charged extra $15. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all when I get out and get my hair done. Alright, y'all, I made it. It's 10:48 right now. I'm gonna go in at 10:50 because I refuse to pay an extra $15, like I said, because I ain't finna get my money away. I'm the type of person, like, if I can save, I'm gonna save. I hate getting my money away. But anyway, like, man, y'all, I done went out the house and left everything. I left my tripod, my camera, so a phone vlog it is. Is it just me, or do anybody else hate going to the salon? Like, I don't know if it's just because I didn't grow up that way, because my mama was a cosmetologist, and then my cousin was a cosmetologist, and then my other cousin did hair, so they all just did my hair all the time, and I never had to go to a salon. I ain't go to a salon until I was like 22 years old. But man, I hate it. I really do. I don't know, I just like get my hair done like in comfort. I don't know, just a little tidbit. I just hate going to a salon, which is probably why I space my hair appointments out so far. But let me get on up in here before I have to pay this late fee. I'm gonna holler at y'all when I get back. And then another thing, like, after I went into the salon, because I was in college, that's the only reason why I went to the salon. So I had got my hair dyed because I got it cut before I had surgery, just to make it easier on myself to be forced to get my hair cut. But anyway, it's like after that, I learned how to do my own hair. So I was doing my own hair until I got locks. But I have done like I think 1 or 2 of my own retwists. It's just so time consuming. I don't like it. I don't like it taking so much time, because like, opposed to me going to the salon, like if I'm the first one in the chair, I might get out, like say she started at 9, I might get out around 11, because you gotta get under the dryer. But like usually if I'm like the second or third person in the chair, you gotta wait on them to get a style, and there's only one, it's only one loctician, so they take a while. So I'm probably gonna be getting out of here about 3 or 4 o'clock for real. That's one reason I hate it too, because it just take too long. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna study yapping. Let me get in here before I get charged a late fee. Alright, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get back. Hey y'all, as y'all can see, I am done, and I really like it. It's really cute. I got the lemonade locks. I like it. But unfortunately, she did tell me that I'm gonna have to start coming back more frequently, because my I had like 3 locks around the perimeter that's starting to thin, because I've been not getting to stand up on my retwist. I'm sorry y'all have to sound like I'm nervous, because I'm not, but I'm shaking because I'm cold and my car's still warming up. And so I'm gonna have to start coming back because my hair get longer, which means it's getting heavier. So it's starting to weigh down on my locks, so I need to stay up with my retwist. So I'll probably be coming back about every 6 to 8 weeks instead of like stretching it out to like 9 months, because it was ridiculous. Plus it just hurt. It hurt worse. If anybody got locks, the longer your new growth is, the more it hurt when you get retwist. Plus it don't really hurt like in normal spots, but just where I had my 2 brain surgeries, it's still tender there. Even though it's been like almost 9 years, it's still tender. So, but I'm probably about to just go to the store and get me some avocados for my food later. God dang, it's cold. I'm shaking. I ain't gonna really do too much else because it's raining. So there's my day. But if I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna catch y'all in another one. And always stay elevated. Stay on top of your stuff. Self-care gonna have to be a little harder because I've been tripping. Oh, and I had a little bit of dandruff at the top, which I never really have. So yeah, self-care is a must. I'm been slacking a little bit, but you know, I'm human. But all right, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Stay elevated. I'm out. Oh, and one more thing. I told y'all it was gonna be about 3-4 o'clock by the time I got out. It is 3:45. That's why I be dreading to come get my hair done, bruh. But it is what it is. We got it done. All right, peace. I'm out. It's really cute. I really, really like it. That's fine. I'm feeling myself, but I'm out.
Whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank